Hello 3,300 plus amazing people, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been slacking a lot lately because I have lots of orders. Alhamdulillah, it's alright. I was progressive, still working on some projects and samples. And yeah, as I've said, I procrastinate a lot. So today, I decided to film myself because it's been a while. I know that I just take videos and edit them and then upload them on my channel. So, I know that one. I realized actually that, I have to exert effort a little bit. Also, I'm testing my new gadgets for vlogging as well. That's why that makes me more, encouragement. You know what I mean. So anyway, for this vlog, I will just show you the grooming time of our cat, BUDGI, and how he looks like after that. And also, I will just share with you a little bit of my things regarding the crochet. I actually don't have much of things to show you guys. I was actually planning to stop vlogging. It's because also I have a not boring, I just don't have anything to show you because my niche in vlogging is supposedly more on my life here in Qatar. But it happens that I don't go out too much. I even feel it boring. So how much more you? Anyway, what else I will show you? That's it. I will just share with you the grooming time of BUDGI, and I didn't also film my husband's grooming time. They've done their grooming, both of them, and I'm not sure when is my one. Also, I realized that some of my videos before, I said that I'm gonna vlog about my veneer, the result after a month, but it's been, I think, 4 months now. We went back to the doctor or to my dentist again. I just realized that I had to do the reviews of my veneer. I might just do another vlog for that. And yeah, we'll see. Anyway, let me show you the grooming time of BUDGI. I just ironed all your...
Have a look, Mahal, and then you see how it goes.
BUDGI! Hey, BUDGI! He will scratch you. Don't be annoying. BUDGI! BUDGI, I'm gonna have your haircut today. It's so cute.
Hello?
German, good evening. Hello?
Good evening.
Hi, BUDGI.
Can I bring my cat to get his haircut?
Sure, no problem.
You're not busy?
Not that much, no.
Okay, you're the one in the Sulkwagif, right?
Correct,
Hello?
yes.
Okay. What time you open to, by the way?
We're open now since 7, and then we'll be closing at 1:30.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Another timing, sir.
So you're not open in the daytime, right?
We are also 9 to 3.
9 to
3.
3. All right.
3 p.m.
Okay, I'll bring my cat. Maybe I'll be there in half an hour, 40 minutes. Thank you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Excited cat. Bye-bye. BUDGI! BUDGI! You're out today, BUDGI. BUDGI! 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 Grooming time. Love. BUDGI, let him see the bird first. Let me see. Oh my god. BUDGI, look at him. He's so curious. Let me see him.
He's looking.
He's scared.
Oh, he's hiding.
It's like too many of them, Butchie. Alright, let's go.
He knows where he is, you know that? He's nervous. I'm not big.
You know, your tranquilizer, Butchie. How long will it take?
I don't know, maybe now they'll call us.
Butchie.
Okay.
Okay, like that.
Is that real chips?
See.
Butchie. Butchie. How are you? You alright? What? You have a very cute tail. You know that? But you look like Simba. Simba, is that you? Is that you, Simba? Hello, my love Simba. I think this one is too short also, but it's okay. He's like that cat that don't have hair, but with the bushy tail. Uy.
Alright, so that was Butchie's grooming time, and as you can see guys, it was very short. Our cat is a Persian Egyptian cat, so he normally have a bushy kind of hair. So we decided to cut that short because we are eating his hair everywhere. So for us to be hygienic also inside the house with a pet, that's why we decided to cut it short. I will share with you how much we spent for his grooming because the doctor decided to do some checkup for him, and they're telling us that he have a bad breath, and I think it's supposed to be like that because they're eating something like not same as ours, and they don't do well. We don't brush his teeth like the dog, but yeah, so the doctor said he will do some checkup, and he charged us a little bit higher than the grooming price, you know what I mean? So total we spent was around, if I will convert it into peso, it's around 7,000 plus, not less than that. So yeah. Anyway, as long as we know that our cat is good, then it's fine. And yes, that's it. What else I will share with you? Allow me to share also, I received a parcel last night. This is about my business. So finally, I will just also include this video here because it's not that big to show you. These are tags, you know, the cloths. They're not that much actually. For sewing thing. You know these things on the cloth that they put like this. So I have here for Andre Crafts, and I don't know why she's using the font that I don't choose. But anyway, it's cute. If you can read it, right? So Andre Crafts. That's the name of my store actually. So I'm so excited to use this. So I must have a lot of DIY. Today also is my dental day. So anyway, I think that's all. I don't want to squeeze this video long without anything. I will not say you like the video because I just film and that's it. Edit this one and upload. But I will say stay safe and God bless us all. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.